Oh, it broke. Surprise! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Yes, I am back. I missed you guys. I've been receiving so many messages for like the past year. Come back, makeup tutorials. We want more makeup, we want more makeup, we want more makeup. I hear you guys. I just needed to be ready to make the comeback, and now I officially am. I don't even know when was the last time that I filmed a makeup tutorial. It's probably been, I think, 2 years, which is crazy. I've lost a few subscribers, but I'm not even gonna like think about that because the numbers don't matter to me at the end of the day. I appreciate everyone that's still subscribed to me and everyone that's watching this video right now. But here's my official return to YouTube with makeup tutorials. I wanted to start with this soft glam that I've been wearing for like the past few months straight. I'm obsessed with it and I've been seeing it all over Instagram as well. It's a matte neutral brown smoky eye, super nude lips, super matte skin as well. I've really been loving it, and so I thought that this was the perfect look to return to YouTube with. So without further ado, here is the long awaited makeup tutorial that I've owed you guys for the past 2 years. Keep watching. If you guys see me doing this a lot, I'm not picking my nose, I swear. I'm just tucking in my nose ring because it loves coming all the way to the front and it really bothers me. I have to tell you guys a story about how I even got this piercing and the other ones in my ears in a bit. We'll get to that, but first let's get started. I'm gonna be using the Soft Glam palette. I hope that I have you guys zoomed in enough. Should I zoom you in a little bit more? Maybe for the eyes, right? Or I don't know. Yeah. So first we're gonna go into this color right here, Sienna. It's gonna go right into my crease, but I'm gonna alter the shape of my crease just a little bit. I've been watching a lot of tutorials from like Rouge and Ariel. Even though I really hate the Kardashians, I ended up unfollowing like Kylie and all of them. I just love the way that their makeup artists, like, I just love their work. So I've noticed the way that they alter the crease. First they'll obviously start like, you know, just right here, which is what I'm gonna do, depositing it in my normal regular crease. But when it comes to like the front, I'm gonna kind of bring it up a little bit higher than usual. The reason being because when I have my lighter color on my lid later on, I'm gonna bring that up all the way here to make the shape of my eye seem a little bit bigger and deeper. So again, right here, my regular crease for the outer corner and the middle, and then after the middle, when it comes to the front, I'm gonna bring that up a little bit higher and closer to my nose. I know that it looks crazy now, but I promise you that when we blend everything out later, it's gonna come together. So piercings, you know, I turned 25 and I've been into this like YOLO type of vibe lately. Like I've been trying to do things that I've always wanted to do. We met up, like me and my friends, about 3 weekends ago. It was just supposed to be like literally a regular chill out hangout. We all went to this bar. My friend Stephanie was gonna go get her nose pierced and other things pierced. Sorry, Stephanie. But I've always wanted to get like my second hole done, but I'm like the biggest pussy ever when it comes to like needles. If you know me, you know that I don't even like going to the doctor. So even though, you know, Steph, my friend, was getting hers done, and even my friend Adriana, she was also getting like a piercing done, I wasn't gonna go because that's how scared of like needles I am. Even though it's something that I've always wanted, I was just like, nope, no way. Long story short, we were all at the bar. We all got really fucking drunk and we decided to go in with Steph and Adri. All of us were like, all the girls, we were just so drunk at that point. We're like, yeah, let's go get piercings too. I decided to go first. Like I volunteered first to go sit down and get the piercings. Stephanie and Adriana had already done theirs, but like me, Ning, Ali, I'm just naming all of my friends, Gabby, we still hadn't gotten ours. So out of all the girls that still hadn't gotten theirs, I decided to go first because I'm like, I'm the pussy, I need to go first before I back out. Now I'm gonna blend out this crease just a little bit with the color Burnt Orange. So I sat down on the chair first, and I remember I was so confident because hello, I was like intoxicated. And I know that you're not supposed to like get piercings while you're drunk, it's like not a good thing, but you know, the alcohol just gave me some balls, and I sat down in the chair like, yeah, here you go, here's my ear. I remember it didn't hurt at all. Like, it literally didn't hurt at all. Again, I don't know if it was because I was drunk or what. I mean, most likely. But when he did them, I was like, wow, that's it. Like, it literally felt like a pinch in your ear. And I was like, wow, all this time that I've been wanting to get my second hole, and I didn't get it because I thought it was going to be the worst pain in the world. And here it literally only lasted 3 seconds, and it was like a small ass pinch. Stephanie got her piercing done, her nose, oh there it goes, have to push it back in, so annoying. Stephanie got her nose pierced too. My friend Gabby decided to go because it was something that she also had always wanted to do. And I don't know how, but they convinced me to get the nose too. And again, I was drunk. When I tell you guys that I don't remember saying yes to this, damn Diana, how drunk were you? But it's the truth. Like, I don't remember saying yes to it. I just remember sitting down. This one actually did hurt, but not like bad. I just remember letting out like a little moan, but it was again over in 3 seconds. After he had done it, I think that that's when like shit hit me. I think I sobered up a little bit, and I was like, Diana, what the fuck did you just do? Did you really just get like a piercing in your face? Like, this is something that I've never wanted in my life. Like, I just never thought that I was gonna have a piercing anywhere in my face. So I remember like freaking out initially after he did it a little bit, and the girls had to be like, no Diana, it looks cute, it looks so good on you, like you better not take it off, you better not take it off, you better leave it. I'm like, okay, fine, whatever you guys want. I'm gonna go back into Sienna, but this time I'm gonna take like a really small tiny detailed brush. Focus, come on. And I am going to outline that shape that I had created in the crease before. I really wanted to like stand out more and pop, so that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, after getting that, our friend Ning, she already has basically like every single hole you could get in your ear. The only one that she was missing was like her lower lobe here. And so she was like, Diana, get it with me, I'll pay for it. Let's get, like, since I already got the matching one with the girls, with Gabby and Steph, she was like, let's get matching ones. And so she got her lower lobe, and so I got it too. So now I have a total of 3 holes on this ear. And now, being that I only have 2 on this ear, I just have to go and even it out and get my 3rd piercing here, which I really want because I actually feel like 3 looks better than just having 2. And I also want my helix up here. I was talking to Stephanie, I think we both might get like the conch, which goes here, but I don't know, I hear that that one really hurts a lot, so I might skip out on the conch and then just get like this one in here. I don't know the name of that one, so but yeah, oh, this is so annoying. You guys see why I have to keep pushing it in? So yeah, I'm really into piercings now. Well, not now, there's things that I've always wanted to do, but again, I've always just been like too chicken to actually get them done. And I'm so grateful for my friends for like pushing me that night, even the majority of my courage came from alcohol. I know, you know, it's sad that it did, but fuck it, at the end of the day I did it, and I'm really happy I did. And I'm not gonna lie, when I go back to even out my ear to get my 3rd and my helix, I might even go drunk again. So no, most likely I am gonna go drunk because I don't want to feel the pain at all. We're gonna go into Cypress Under, and we're gonna start depositing that into the outer corner of the eye. But yeah, I mean, I don't think it's the worst thing that I could have done for being drunk, like getting piercings like that. It was definitely like a YOLO moment. It was so unplanned. I'm not really like a person that's spontaneous at all, so that was definitely like one of the most spontaneous things that I've done in my life. And it's, you know, those are like, they become the best moments. Those become like the best memories. It's 2020. I'm all about like doing things that I've always wanted to do. I'm tired of just kind of like holding back and letting fear hold me back. I just feel like that's not the way to live life. Life is so short and so many things are happening. We just never know when our last day here is gonna be. Not to get like all depressed and serious, but it's true. I just feel like I have to start doing more of what I want to do with my life. And this year and being 25, to me, that's what it's all about. For the lid, I'm going to be taking the color Orange Soda. I am going to bring a little bit like up into the lid. I'm going to just kind of like manipulate my eye shape. That's why I left that area blank as I was putting on the other eyeshadows before. I'm going to show you guys the difference. Normally or typically when I would put like my lid color, I would only put it here on the lid. Just like literally right here, right? But what we're doing now is we're actually going up, in and up, and you can kind of like start carving with the eyeshadow instead of doing it with like a light concealer or something. Just like this. Normally the concept is that when we apply our lid color, we would normally just apply like here, right? Like not going up above the crease. But now we actually want to start from the front of the eye and bring that color up and carve out the lid and crease in the front of the eye. It's gonna make it look way larger. These hair clips, by the way guys, are from Amazon. I'm gonna link them down in the description box. They're seriously so good. They have like a little silicone cover so that the hair clips don't leave like an indent in your hair, and I'm literally obsessed with them. The first part that I said is always my forehead, because I crease there a lot more than under my eyes. A bitch is getting old. Okay, now bronzer, my favorite part of makeup. I've been using the Hoola Caramel bronzer lately. I really like it because it's a really nice warm toned bronzer. It's not too orange. It pulls more into like the neutral yellow tones. That's what I feel like. Starting along the hairline as always, and I love this Sephora brush. This is the number 72 brush. So I love how nice and fluffy it is, so it's not gonna give you any harsh lines, but the shape just gives the most beautiful definition, especially like here on the cheek area. It just hugs your cheek so nice. Yes, I know that this is basically like my comeback into YouTube. I hadn't filmed a makeup tutorial in, wow, like probably almost 2 years, who knows. I have a reason why. There's been a lot of changes in my life. If you guys really are interested in knowing like where I've been and why I went away from YouTube, with the exception of like the vacation vlogs that I upload, let me know. I can give you guys like an explanation as to why and how my life has changed. But I'm only gonna film that video if people actually want to see it. So if not, then it's not gonna get filmed. So yeah, if you want to see that video, just comment it down in the comment section and I'll film it for you guys now that I'm back. Blush. So blush has been recently another like obsession of mine when it comes to makeup. I've had this Tarte palette literally for like 4 years. It's been in like all of my makeup tutorials since I started YouTube. No, but like seriously, I've been really liking a really bright blush, so I normally go into like the first 2 tones here. Brighter pink is the one that I normally do like right here in the front, in the apples of my cheek. The darker pink is the one that I tend to do towards the back, and then just blending them both. So from the videos that I've been watching from Harush and Ariel, I've learned also just bring some of the blush up into the temples, you know, blend it in with your bronzer. Bringing you guys back in closer so that we can finish the eyes. I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Everlasting. So this is actually a lip liner, but it could be used as an eyeliner too. This is a beige color. I'm going in with the color Mulberry from Soft Glam, and I'm gonna be putting this all over my lower lash line. So guys, look at what lashes I'm using today. It's the Amandizzle and Ambio Lashes collab. I hope that I'm pronouncing that correct. But if you don't know, Amanda is a self-built freelancer from New York City. She's really successful. She has her own makeup studio. I know her. She's really sweet in person. So honestly, I'm so happy for her. And Amanda, I'm just wishing you all the success in the world. So of course I had to support you, and let's try these on. Whoa, okay, wow. I love how easy these are to put on. Like, they're just literally popping right on. I love the lash band. It's really good. Okay, so lastly for the lips, I want to show you guys my favorite nude lip combos of like all time. These are my go-tos no matter what. For more of like a matte lip, if I want a glossy nude lip, I have another combo, but I'll show you guys later on in another video. So the lip liner that I use, it's my favorite lip liner, the only brand that I use, Conspiracy from Urban Decay, with Anastasia Stripped liquid lipstick. If not, if I'm feeling more of like a cream but matte lipstick as opposed to a liquid lipstick, my favorite is from Sephora Collection Lip Stories in the color number 1 Brunch Date. This lipstick is amazing. I put a few of my friends onto it, and I'm about to put you guys onto it right now. It's literally only $8. I literally pay nothing for it because of my discount. Not to brag or anything, but that's why I love it even more, because it's just so inexpensive. Alright you guys, and this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for everyone that has stuck with me throughout the years. If you're still a subscriber, let me know if you watched the video all the way till the end. If you did, then comment down below #DianaIsBack. That way I know who watched all the way till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. I promise you that I will be back. Thank you.